Hi guys, it's Rick Fox here. Just a short video showing you how to install Autoresponder365. Okay, so we're going to assume that you've purchased the software and you've downloaded the software. And I've downloaded the software to my desktop at the moment. It's in a zip file, so you need to, first of all, you need to unzip the file. And inside you will find some files. You'll find a folder called AR365, and what you need to do with that is to upload it using FTP to your domain hosting. If you're looking for an FTP client, I would suggest you use something like FileZilla, which is free to download. And as I say, it's really simple to do this. So okay, so we've got the files containing this folder here. We need to upload this folder. Just drag this folder up to your web space. So if I go into FileZilla, we need to upload the files into your domain's CGI bin. It will work outside the CGI bin, but CGI bin is a more secure place to host the software. So basically, I just need to drag the AR365 folder up to the web space. So if I drag it into the FTP client, and it should upload within a few seconds, shouldn't take very long. Okay, so files have uploaded now, and you can see there's a folder called AR365. Ignore the other folder here, it's just a test folder I was doing earlier. So while we're in the FTP client, we need to adjust some permissions of the files. So go within the folder, and what you need to do is to change these particular all the files which aren't which are below the folders here. We change those file permissions to 755. There you go. And also you need to change the file in the cron folder called starter cron, so we've changed that one to 755. Okay, so basically that's ready to install now. The next thing we need to do is to make sure we've got a MySQL database ready as well. So okay, so as I said, we need to create a MySQL database. So if we go into our cPanel using HostGator here, for example, we need to go down to databases and create a MySQL database, which we use the database wizard. Okay, so we just create a new database, and let's call it AR365X. Just create the same username just for test purposes, and create a new password. If you're used to making MySQL databases, this will be pretty familiar to you. So allow all the privileges. Next step. Okay, so we've created the MySQL database, so that's ready to ready to use with the Autoresponder software. So we need to go to the URL where the software is. So in this instance it's rickfox.com cgi-bin, and we need to go to the AR365 folder, and the file we need to run is called install.cgi. Okay, so use the registration key we gave you. Okay, so we need to insert the database name, username and password that we just created. So I'll just go back here and cheat. Insert the username and the database name and the password. Okay, and click next. And you should get a result like this. It should say the database is clean and ready to install. Go down the bottom here and click install database. And we need to choose a password for logging into the autoresponder. Okay, we'll come to use that in a little while. Next thing you need to do is to set up the cron file. So if we click there, and what we need to do is copy this line here, and we'll paste it into cron jobs in the cPanel. So I'll just copy that. I'll just go back to cPanel and go down to cron jobs. Here we go. Right, so cron jobs. Okay, and we'll set it to every 15 minutes to run. That we can't go any less than that with HostGator. So some hosts allow you to run it every 5 minutes. So we'll set it to 15 minutes, and we'll paste the command we've just copied from the previous screen. Here we go, that's done. Back to the cron helper and click update your starter cron file. Okay, that's done. And so the installation is now successful. So to log into the autoresponder, we just click where it said and put in the password we created earlier, and it should log in. Here we go. So you see on the left hand side here there's a warning. Basically you need to delete the install.cgi file from the server, and then you won't see this warning anymore. That's just to make sure no one tries to install it again. So once you've deleted this install.cgi file, you won't see that message again. So there you go. The autoresponder is ready to use, and I will show you hints and tips on how to use it in some of the next videos. Thanks for watching.